Finding the center of a component. We have the tool here in the chuck called a wobbler. Basically, I'm going to touch it on either side and divide the difference by 2. So the way it works, very simply, you switch the machine on, and this pin with a ball on the end, when the machine's on, you'll see it wobbling, hence the name. It'll cease to wobble as it begins to touch the component, and then it'll get to a point where it will flick off to one side. It always flicks off to the left, so here it'll go away from us. Like so, and as soon as it does, stop feeding, switch off the machine, and hit 0 on our x coordinate. So I hit 0, x. You'll notice the y is set to 0, so that means that I can hit the same y coordinate on the other side of the piece of work. So I move it around the front, bring it back to the same y coordinate, switch it on, and move my way to the right this time. As I say, always flicks to the left, so that means it's going to come towards us this time. Right about there. Switch off, and you'll notice on these particular readouts they have a very useful function. There's a half button, so you simply press half, X, and then we know where the middle is. So I'll take the tool out, and just to be sure, I'm going to wind it till it hits 0. And I'll bring the tool, the chuck down just to make sure it looks right. If it looks right, then the likelihood is that it probably is right. As you can see, that's the middle. Same process will be repeated with the y coordinate, and that's how we find the center.